Well, I think it's safe to say I wish I was still in Hawaii. Despite the fun that I did have in Hawaii, I am glad to be back home. And one of the first things I heard about actually while I was still in Hawaii was this model train show, which is the first time I've ever been to one. And it's hosted by Bernie's Model Railroad up here in Scranton, and that's where we are today. We're actually in the town of Dunmore, which is just outside of Scranton, right off of the, I think it's Route 84, if I'm not mistaken. And this is at a Holiday Inn. It's right across from a reservoir that I traveled to once before with all the guys and made a video or two. But this is one hell of a show. There's a lot here. RJ's here. I did see Nick walking around somewhere. And Randy's here as well, actually DJing this event through his Emerald Sound Productions DJ company. But we're going to walk around a bit and go say hi to Nick over there and check out what all people are selling here.
That gentleman passed away, didn't he?
I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. I know he had a lot of help.
Focus, come on, come on, come on. And, oh, come on.
I had one of these too.
So if you guys can hear me okay, I'll try to talk right next to the microphone over the music. But we've got pretty much everything you could imagine here. I see a lot of O scale or O gauge, and I'm pretty sure there's some N scale and HO around here too. But quite a collection. Like I said, this is my first time here, so it's cool to kind of see what people are selling. And we got some Matchbox cars over here. These I think would be kind of cool to collect someday. I used to have them as a kid, but it'd be kind of neat to get back into that again.
Yeah. How are you?
How you doing?
Good.
Hey, funny running into you here. Small scale. N scale.
N scale for Nikki scale.
Yes.
O scale or no scale?
Come on, you know you're a closet N scaler. Just what I need, more Kato track. I still have a lot in my bin up in the attic of the garage that I'll be adding to the new layout once we get it going.
Let me explain something before you go too far. This one's got a dummy cup for a well.
Oh, and here we have a little N-scale portable modular layout. 225 for the whole layout. That's not bad. Definitely one hell of a turnout here. I can follow the herd here and see if I can get down. Getting some ideas though, that's for sure. My favorite cars was by, I think it's this company right here, Micro Trains, and that's the weathered freight cars. I had a bunch of these on the old layout. I still have them. They're in storage right now, but I just love the look of those weathered cars there. Pretty neat looking. A lot of awesome detail. And Nikki got her
Wait, let me get mine out too.
weenie whistles.
It runs on high octane mustard and premium, in case you wanted to know.